How to set up Google Search Console. Hi, I'm Ryan Huff. In this video I'll show you how to set up Google Search Console. But before I get into it, I wanted to take a step back and explain why I'm making this video. Firstly, this video is a part of a series of videos where I show you exactly how to make a Clicky website with WordPress. I've laid out my entire process in easy to follow mind map with process notes and the Clicky website templates. If you'd like a free copy, just head on over to my website by clicking the link that will. Setting up Google Search Console. So the first thing you want to do is type Google Search Console into Google and click on the first result. And then you're going to want to add your website, so put your URL in there and click Add a Property. Always choose alternate methods, an HTML tag, and you're going to copy that code there. And if you go into your WordPress site and Supremacy version 3 SEO settings, click on that drop down and click on Webmaster Verifications, and then under Google copy and paste that code in there and click Save Changes. Then click on Verify, and it will show you that that's been verified, and then click on Continue. Now you want to add another property, and you want to add the version without the www. Click Add, and once again alternate methods, HTML tag, and then you can just go verify because you've already put this code on your website, and it should say that it's successfully been verified, and you can continue. Then if you click on all messages and improve the search presence of your main URL and set preferred versions, and then you want to display URLs as www.clickywebsites.com, and that's all you need to do to set up Google Search Console. Remember, if you want to get a copy of my free mind map, process notes, and the Clicky website templates, then just head on over to my website to download it. There's a lot of back-end work and plugins that go into setting up a Clicky website. I do offer a paid service to do everything for you. If that's of interest, you can email me at ryan@clickywebsites.com or visit my website. I regularly add new videos to my channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to get them as soon as possible. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other videos you'd like me to make.